So in the last video, we found the resultant vector for this hook with two cables attached, and now we will find the angle of the resultant vector. So to find this, we're going to use the law of sines. And in this case, the law of sines is going to look like r over sine b equals f2 over sine a. To plug in what we already have, r is 212.55, and sine b is sine of 115, which is going to equal f2, which is 150 newtons over sine a. Now cross multiply. We're going to have sine a times 212.55 equals 150 sine 115. Now 150 sine of 115 is 135.94. We're going to have sine a on this side, and now we will divide by the 212.55 to give us just sine a. And this gives us sine a equals 0.639, and if we take the inverse of this, so sine inverse this number, then we'll get a alone. The inverse sine of 0.639 is 39.76. And now for the direction of r, qr, that is, or theta r, that is going to be our angle A of 39.76 plus 15 degrees. Of course, I should put the degree symbol above all of those, which is going to equal 54.76. So our final answers for this would be r equals 213 newtons and theta r equals 54.8 degrees.